Hi, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. Today, I will show you how to install a coax cable jack. You will need a coax cable installation kit that includes a compression tool, scissors, and coax cable stripper. You will need a compression fitting and a coax wall plate. The first thing you want to do is take the coax cable and strip the cable back about 1/2 inch. Then take your scissors and remove the metal outer covering. Now place the cable over the compression fitting. Push down on the compression tool. Screw the compression fitting into the wall plate. Screw the wall plate in and you're done. Like or subscribe to our page for a link to more videos.